Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sanbhati Digital. Friends, today I'm going to show you that how to save your internet data from unnecessary background processes. Many times you found that your internet data consume too much, even you have not used that much. So who is using that data? Why my so much data are consumed without using it? So let's see what's the exact reason behind that. So let's see and learn how to save your internet data from the unnecessary background processes, right? So what you have to do is, first of all, you have to connect your computer system with the internet. As you can see, I have already connected with the internet connection. You also have to connect it. And then you have to go to the task manager. I think you know very well from where you have to go to task manager. So this is my task manager. If you are using another operating system, you can go to the search and you can find out it. Right, so as you can see now, as of now, this few processes are already running, right? And these are the processes, actually the full list of processes. You have to click on the show processes from all users, and this is a full list of all the ongoing processes in my computer system. As you can see, there are lots of various processes are going on as of now. Now out of this all, there are so many processes which are using your internet data in the background. But the question is, how do you know that which processes are using my internet data in the background? Obviously you should have a technical knowledge about that, and you should know that which process is for what purpose. So now I'm going to switching over to the different tabs. As you can see, this is a networking tab, and if you have knowledge you can go through it. Now what you do is you just have to click on the performance tab and click on the resource monitor. Inside the resource monitor, there is again various tabs are available, and inside that you can have a CPU, memory, disk, and different tabs are there. What you do is you just have to click on the network tab. Inside the network, as you can see, it's have a list of different processes which are using my internet data right now. It also shows you how many different bytes are sending and receiving for the specific process. So I'm going to choose this one, MSS something. This belongs to the antivirus, my security. So you have to find out the same process into the processes inside the task manager, right? Just read the name and find out that processes. So here we go, I found it, and what I will do is right click and process tree, right? So one more is there, SV host, but make sure you should have a technical knowledge that which process you can close. Otherwise what happen, it will create some problem with your ongoing process or some applications. So before trying this, make sure you should have a complete knowledge about all these processes. But if you know it, then definitely this is one of the best solution for that. You can definitely save your maximum amount of internet data which are using at the background unnecessarily. So that's all from my side. Hope you like this video and enjoy this video, and if you really like it, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much.